Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Kids, first we use blue color and now we draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R 4. And now we draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now we use green color and draw 6. Now we use the color of green. S-I-X 6. And the next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids, now we draw the number of 8. We again use green color and now we draw 9. N-I-N-E 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N 10. Kids, now we use black color and draw the number of 11. Now we use the color of black. Black color. The number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. And the next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Now we draw 13. And the next one is 14. Kids, now we again use black color and draw 15. The number of 15. Now we use red color and draw 16.